healthy gut microbiome is supposed to make vitamin K2 for you. That's how important it is. So we're supposed to feel all relaxed and calm, and our muscles are supposed to feel relaxed when our gut microbiome are doing their job and making K2 for us. But look, if you're like me and you've taken antibiotics, when I had head to toe eczema and my skin kept getting infected, I took antibiotics after antibiotics. So then vitamin K2 production may not occur, so supplementation is often necessary. Now, speaking of your gut microbiome, I was so excited when I found this research. So this research is really interesting, especially if you have leaky gut or gut damage from antibiotic use. A study published by Chatterjee and colleagues found that gut microbiome damage from taking antibiotics can be prevented by taking vitamin K2 supplement. Now, the researchers noted that antibiotics destroyed gut bacteria, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, but when vitamin K2 was taken at the same time as the antibiotics, the gut bacterial levels were restored. So vitamin K2 works better than probiotics as it helps to protect your natural gut microbiome from damage before it happens, and it lowers intestinal inflammation according to the same study. Let's unpack that for a moment. Vitamin K2 helps to protect your gut microbiome from being totally destroyed by antibiotics. So vitamin K2 must play a really important role in gut bacteria health. So, we're always looking at probiotics and, introducing massive doses of a few strains or a bunch of strains. Your natural gut microbiome, they're hungry, so they kind of want to feed off your food. And if you're introducing all these other little microbes every day, your natural microbiome actually suffers, because you can end up with SIBO, which is this small intestine bacterial overgrowth, because you're introducing far too much gut bacteria into your gut, and your natural gut bacteria doesn't have the opportunity to thrive because it's being overrun. So it's like being in a massive crowd of people and having to wait in line for the food stand, right? It's really annoying. So instead of bombarding your gut with these new microbes, nourishing the ones that you have and protecting the ones you have with vitamin K2 it just seems like a no-brainer to me. Don't waste your money on Menaquinone 4, as it's an inferior form with poor bioavailability. Remember to look for Menaquinone 7, so you'll need to check the back of the label or ask the manufacturer what source they use. Also, while you're there, ask them if it's an encapsulated vitamin K2, like the one that I use in the PM Mineral Matrix, because regular vitamin K2 is unstable. So as soon as it comes into contact with some minerals, bam, it's going to be destroyed. So you want to have something that's stable and actually works. Now, if you want the cheat sheet, check the notes below this video for the details.